prayer warriors are just people who refuse to stop praying. I think oftentimes, if I could slay a sacred cow for a second, I think oftentimes in church culture, we label people as prayer warriors, and we have this mindset that there is something called the gift of prayer warrior, and somehow they got the gift and other people didn't. But you can go all throughout Scripture, and I'm going to tell you something you're never once going to find. You're never going to find something called a gift of prayer in Scripture. There's no such thing as the gift of prayer, because every Christian is called to prayer. That's like saying some people have the gift of forgiveness. They're able to forgive. No. Every Christian has the gift of forgiveness because we're all called to forgive. And there's no such thing as a gift of praying. We're all called to pray. So who is a prayer warrior? It's not someone who's gifted for it. It's someone who's disciplined in it.